My name is Harsham. I am from 7th standard.
My name is Ryan. I am also from 7th standard.
Today's topic is composition of air. Air is composed of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases like helium, argon, etc. Now we discuss about nitrogen. Nitrogen occupies 78% of total volume in the air. Nitrogen absorbed by plants for their growth and development. Nitrogen indirectly useful for us.
Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. It is very important gas because most of the living organisms depend upon oxygen. The other gases contains argon, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and it impact on climate. Argon is present 0.93% of Earth's atmosphere and carbon dioxide makes up only 0.04% of Earth's atmosphere. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. We are the students of 7th standard in BLJ DAV Public School. We tell about the four spheres of environment such as atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere.
Good morning, friends. My topic is lithosphere. The meaning of lithosphere is rocks. The Earth's solid layer is called lithosphere. The thickness of this layer is 100 km. The uppermost part of lithosphere is composed of rocks rich in silica and aluminium. Is called shale. Below the layer of shale, the rocks are mainly rich in silica and magnesium, which is called sigma. The lithosphere is the part of Earth's surface which gives us land to live. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Now I am tell about the atmosphere. The literal meaning of atmosphere is the sphere of the air, which is composed of many gases such are nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen. The nitrogen is 78% and carbon dioxide is 0.3 to 0.5% and oxygen is 21% present in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is approximately 480 km above the Earth's surface. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. The literal meaning of hydrosphere is spheres of water. The hydrosphere are 71% of area covered by water on the Earth's surface. The Earth is a cold blue planet and water planet. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Karanbir. Today's the topic of the layers of Earth. There are three types of layers of Earth: crust, mantle, and core. Crust is the uppermost part of the Earth. Its thickness is 60 to 100 kilometer. Crust is in silica and aluminum.
Mantle. It is expand from 2,900 kilometer. It is subdivided into two parts: upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle is 100 kilometer above the Earth's surface. It is rich in silica and magnesium.
Today's my topic is about core. The core is subdivided into two parts: upper core, inner core. It have a thickness of 3,470 kilometers and it is the innermost part of the earth. And it is also rich in iron and nickel called knife. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Anmol Singh. I am from 7th standard. Today I am giving presentation on spheres of Earth. The Earth has four spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. The literal meaning of lithosphere is sphere of rocks. The lithosphere has thickness of about 100 km. The uppermost part of the lithosphere is rich in silica and aluminium called shale. Below the shale layer, the rocks are mainly rich in silica and magnesium called sigma. Atmosphere. The literal meaning of atmosphere is sphere of air. The atmosphere is composed of mixture of gases. It has an gaseous envelope extending about. Hello everyone. We are the student of 7th class from DAV school. Today we are gave a presentation of structure of atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of air. It is divided into four spheres: mesosphere, thermosphere, troposphere, and stratosphere. So we are discuss about it one by one. Good morning, all of you. I am Ravleen from 7th standard. Today I am telling about the part of Earth structure, troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the Earth atmosphere. The most of the clouds are found in atmosphere. The mass of the Earth structure is troposphere. Thanks. Hello everyone, my name is Jashan. I am from 7th standard. My topic is the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. It is very clean air. Oxygen is found in the stratosphere. We cannot live without stratosphere. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Gagan. I am from 7th standard. Today's presentation on mesosphere. Mesosphere is the directly above the stratosphere and below the thermosphere. It extends from 50 to 85 kilometer above our planet. The temperature decreases with height throughout the mesosphere. Thanks.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jasmeet. I'm from 7th Standard. Today, my topic is thermosphere. Thermosphere is a last sphere of the Earth. It is above the mesosphere.
Hello friends, this is Sania from 7th standard. Today we are discussing about the Khilji dynasty with my friend Jashan. The Khilji dynasty was a Turko-Afghan dynasty which ruled India for 3 decades, 1290 to 1320. It was the dynasty to rule the Delhi Sultanate for the second time, and the founder of this dynasty was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. Now my friend Jashan will tell about Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji, and overview is already given by me.
Jalaluddin Khalji. He ruled from 1290 to 1316. He was killed and replaced by his nephew Alauddin Khalji. He ruled from 1296 to 1316. He took a title of
Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty founded by Gyansu the Big. He was a great ruler and great warrior. He was an capable administrator. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Kanika from 7th class. My topic is Firoz Tughlaq. He ruled from 1351 to 88 Common Era. Firoz Tughlaq was made the Sultan after the death of Muhammad Tughlaq. He helped poor Muslims. Thank you. Hello friends, I am Dipti from 7th class. Our topic Nasiruddin Tughlaq. Nasiruddin Tughlaq ruled in 1388 to 1412 CE. Nasiruddin Tughlaq was the last ruler of Tughlaq dynasty. Good morning all of you. My name is Khushmeet. I am from 7th standard. So today me and my friend tells about Lodi dynasty. The Lodi was the last ruling family of the Delhi Sultanate who ruled from 1451 to 1526 Common Era. Behlol Lodi was the first ruler of Lodi dynasty who ruled from 1451 to 1489 Common Era. The second ruler of Lodi dynasty was Sikandar Lodi, who ruled from 1489 to 1517 Common Era, and the last ruler was Ibrahim Lodi, who ruled from 1570 to 1526 Common Era. Now my friends tells about Lodi dynasty rulers.
I am Anmol. I am telling about Behlol Lodi. Behlol Lodi was the first founder of Lodi dynasty. He was an able ruler and quantity general. He never sat on throne. He was a very religious person. He was the first ruler of Behlol Lodi dynasty.
Hey, I'm Hushan. I'm telling about Skandar Lodi. Skandar Lodi succeeds as father in 1489 CE. He was generous toward Muslim and ulemas. He destroyed temples and construct mosques in their place. He imposed Zaza on Hinduism. He founded the new city of Agra in 1506 CE.
I am Pramit. I am telling about Ibrahim Lodi. He became an sultan after his father Sikandar Lodi. He is an intelligent, able, and brave ruler.
Good morning to all. Here is Prablin with my friends. We are here to tell you about slave dynasty. Slave dynasty is also called Mamluk dynasty. The founder of this dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak. Here are 5 kings in this dynasty. They are Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Rajia Sultan, Nasiruddin Mahmud, and Ghiasuddin Balban. Now my friends will tell you about these kings.
My name is Pari from 7th standard. I am here by the kings of slave dynasty, Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty. He built Qutb Minar, Great Wall Islam in Delhi. He died in 1210. Iltutmish made Delhi his capital.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Khushpreet from 7th standard. Today I present on slave dynasty kings. First is Raja Sultan and